New England Reformers by Ralph Waldo Emerson. The criticism and attack on institutions which we have witnessed have made one thing plain, that society gains nothing whilst a man, not himself renovated, attempts to renovate things around him. He has become tediously good in some particular, but negligent or narrow in the rest. And hypocrisy and vanity are only the disgusting result. When the literary class betray a destitution of faith, it is not strange that society should be disheartened and sensualized by unbelief. What remedy? Life must be lived on a higher plane. We must go up to a higher platform to which we are always invited to ascend. There, the whole aspect of things changes. I do not believe that the differences of opinion and character in men are organic. I do not recognize, besides the class of the good and the wise, a permanent class of skeptics, or a class of conservatives, or of malignants, or of materialists. I do not believe in two classes. You remember the story of the poor woman who importuned King Philip of Macedon to grant her justice, which Philip refused. The woman exclaimed, "I appeal." The king, astonished, asked to whom she appealed. The woman replied, "From Philip drunk to Philip sober." The text will suit me very well. I believe not in two classes of men, but in man in two moods, in Philip drunk and Philip sober. From the triumphs of his art, he turns with desire to this greater defeat. Let those admire who will. With silent joy, he sees himself to be capable of a beauty that eclipses all which his hands have done, all which human hands have ever done.